Hi everyone, I thought I'd show you how to unblock a bathroom sink during quarantine COVID-19 period. Okay, you know when your sink water comes down and it's always not, you know, it's got slow, like this for example, it's just got slow drain. It kind of builds up, you're brushing your teeth and it's just not draining properly. Okay, well that's when, this is what we've got. That's just a bit of dirt. Okay, anyway, let that sink, let that kind of drain through. What you've got to do is take the pedestal off.
Oh my god, that's very far.
Like that. But hopefully it won't just drop. Okay, make sure it's all drained through. Then you've got this plastic thing, and see you've got the bend here, the U-bend. Can you see? Go zoom in. You've got the U-bend here, and you've got these two bits here. Well, the blockage is there normally. It's not. It doesn't tend to be around here. Sometimes it is, but let's have a look first. So, just unscrew this bit, and then unscrew this bit. There'll be a bit of water that comes out, and then what we'll do, we'll just take it down the toilet there. Okay, that's not really blocked here, so the blockage tends to be over here, so it's stuff like this.
Ooh, that's disgusting.
It is, it's stuff like bits of hair.
Don't you want gloves?
It's just bits that kind of get stuck. No, you can.
That's her bits, not my bits.
You can put drain block down, but that's not good for the environment. So we're doing it in an ecological, environmentally friendly way. Which I should have. What you should do is wear gloves. And it can smell a bit as well, because it depends how long it's just been stored up there.
How much is that?
Okay, what we'll do, it's still a bit kind of blocky, so can you just grab me one of those cotton buds there, and then what we'll do is we'll push it down from here. That's it. So push it down. Until you see it all cleared from the top. Okay, so the two things I would do differently here would be I would have gloves, and I would probably have a bucket underneath, so no, that's okay, it's nearly done now. Alright, okay, so you could just see everything is all clear now. Have a look in here. It's kind of all clear. Okay, so I've just got to wash my hands in the bath. And what we do is we put this back on. Now, this is a rubber bit here. Can you zoom in? This is a rubber bit here that kind of like stops things from leaking. So let's just screw it back again. Remember, you might want to take a photo of this before you take it off, so you know which way round you're going to put it back on again. But I know it's this way round. So put that, slot it back in like that, and screw it back. Screw this back. Try and tighten it as much as you can. Do it by hand, because you don't want to like tighten it too much and then you break the seal. And then put the tap back on. If it's leaking, Then you want to tighten it with a pair of wrenches like these. Like these. Like that. But don't do it, don't force it though, because you don't want to break the seal, like I said. Okay, so get some toilet paper, dry it all up.
Toilet paper, not with toilet
It's very
paper.
technical, this. Dry it all up, and then put on the tap again. And you want to fill the tap up, and you want to fill the sink up, so that when you release it, you want to make sure all the water, there won't be any leaks underneath in the joins. Okay, that's enough. And then let's just check. And the joins should be all dry. Check all the joins. That's it. And that's how you unblock a basin during quarantine.